Alright everybody, welcome to a cold case install. This is a video showing the installation of our FOM 564 radiator in a 64 Ford Falcon. This car was brought to us with overheating issues, so we're going to swap out the old radiator with a fresh new cold case aluminum radiator. Begin draining the existing coolant by opening the petcock. A tip to help move things along is to remove the radiator cap. Start loosening the clamps on the lower radiator hose, and be prepared for some more coolant. Loosen the top clamp and remove the hose. Now move on to the upper hose. The next step is to pull the radiator by removing these 4 bolts. Our cold case radiator is a big increase in cooling capabilities, but it's also an increase in thickness. First, test fit the cold case radiator for fan clearance. Optimal spacing for the fan without a shroud is between 1/2 inch and 1 inch from the radiator core. With the shroud, you want the fan half in and half out of the shroud. We determined on our application, no spacer created the perfect fitment. Pry the spacer off with a flathead screwdriver. It doesn't hurt to clean the surface to ensure the fan sits flat. If you make any fitment adjustments, you'll have to get the appropriate length bolts. Now it's time to drop in your new cold case radiator. Now reinstall and tighten the 4 bolts. Install the upper rad hose and clamps. Next, install the lower rad hose and clamps. Install the overflow hose. Alright, now it's time to fill it up with coolant. Now start the car and check for leaks. That concludes our installation of FOM 564 in our 1964 Ford Falcon. For more information, check out our website at coldcaseradiators.com or leave a comment below.